I believe one of the most important tools to succeeding in investing is having a journal. You wouldn't believe how something so simple yet so useful can dramatically improve your investment decisions. The thing is, so many investors don't use one. This is KCG Trades, and today I'll be explaining to you why I believe every investor should use a journal. I currently have 3 journals. One for long-term investing and writing out my goals. The second one is when I have a new idea for YouTube or just have a new idea in general. And my last one is my day trading journal, the one I use the most and the one I use daily. I do believe everyone should keep a journal, regardless if you invest or not, just to be able to write down your goals or to track your progress in whatever you may be trying to achieve, and sometimes just to let out some steam. Journaling is a great way to self-improve, and it's the exact same thing when it comes to investing. The main reason why I believe investors should journal is to keep track of your mistakes and your profitable moves. When you're making a trade or just an investment in general, you should always have a reason for your decision. Even if you are right or wrong, you should always have a reason for pulling the trigger. When you journal all of your moves, you can consistently see the types of trades you make, what kind of mistakes you made, what things you do well, what investment patterns that you make that you might not know about, how much money you're making or how much money you're losing, and much more. When you journal, you just get a better overall understanding of your strengths and weaknesses and areas of improvement. Another reason is because when we invest or when we trade, we have so many things going on in our head that it can be distracting and confusing. It is sometimes hard to have a clear mind, which can definitely affect your decision making. When you journal, it can help boost your ability to see investment opportunities and trends that might otherwise never occur to you. Journaling can keep you more honest, more focused, and more in touch with your inner investor. I know when I started to journal, I began to realize that every time I lost money, I kept doing the same things over and over. And I realized it because it was staring me right in the face. Realizing and documenting your mistakes are ways of preventing them from occurring again in the future. And lastly, the most important thing when it comes to journaling is it gives you confidence. Once you have experienced so many different patterns and so many different trends, you start to notice similarities and reoccurrences. When you're looking at a chart and you start to notice it's making a pattern similar to one you saw before, you can use your past experiences and your journal to reference to possibly help you make a decision. The confidence you get from seeing a pattern before and knowing how it played out certainly helps you solidify the decision of either buying, selling, or just waiting. Just to give you guys some examples, in my journal I write about half a page to 1 page a day when it comes to my day trading, and I specifically write what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, how much money it's going to cost me, how much I will be charged in commissions, what is my profit target, what is my mental stop loss, and at the end of the day I always reflect on what I did well and what I did poorly to improve my trading and also give me momentum for the next day. Before I end off this video, I just want to say thank you once again to everyone who is supporting me. I just hit 100 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. It really means the world to me. And if you like this video, you already know what to do. This is KCG Trades, and once again I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, guys.